Julia, come see Mommy. Julia. We are here at the Tellus Science Museum, letting Julia wander around in her pretty little dress. Go see Brooke.
Julia, come here. Come here.
She's taking a break. Oh, we're going again. She thinks the color is a change in step. Come on, Julia. Hi. She's very excited. And Barrett is very excited.
Mom, do you have any coins or anything?
We're taking a video of Brooke.
Oh.
I mean, Julia, whatever your name is. Showing how she's learned how to walk. There we go. Oops, I'm not a very good camera person. All right, Julia. There she goes. There she goes. All right. I think that has demonstrated her wonderful ability. We can now prove it to the world. Clap. All right, Brooke, say goodbye. Oops. Somehow I messed up.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.